Good morning, students. So now we are going to continue the next part of this chapter, Ranga's marriage. So in the last module, we saw Ranga that he was distressed, disappointed, knowing that the girl was already married. So then the next morning, the narrator Shama that he went to the Shastri's house and he told Shastri everything, that to keep your Shastras ready to read the stars. And he tutored him means to Shastri, who? Shama, the narrator. He taught him everything that he wanted to say. Who? The narrator wanted to say to Ranga, that he taught Shastri everything. So later on, then Shama the narrator, he met Ranga, then he found that there was no change at all. Still Ranga that he was distressed, disappointed. Then it means jokingly in a funny manner, the narrator asked him, "Are you okay, all right? Do you have any problem or a headache, something?" The narrator also suggested, "Let us go and see a doctor if you have any problem." But Ranga said, "No, I am okay, all right." Narrator gave one more example that the same thing is happened, for example, with him when he was a narrator, Shama. He was choosing a girl for the marriage, and he was going through the same mindset, just like Ranga here right now going. But now Ranga here surprised when the narrator Shama, when he gave this example, choosing a girl for the marriage, he looked at him, stared at the narrator. So after that, the narrator suggested him, to whom? Ranga. So let it be now. Let us go to Shastri and to see what is there, what is in your destiny. Right? So the definitely and especially Guru and Shani, we will see there, at least going to Shastri, that Shastri astrologer, right? We will come to know that whether Shani or Guru are favorable in your, for example, life or not. Whether they are favorable for you or not. Let us go and see. So after saying this, Ranga also, without any protest, that he followed the narrator to Shastri's house. So when he went there, that time Shastri's house, suddenly, as soon as they reached there, Shastri, looking at them, he exclaimed. It means that astrologer exclaimed, looking at the narrator Shama, just like that they are meeting for the first time. In that manner, because Shastri astrologer wanted to create such a situation, the Ranga should feel that that they are first time that they are looking to each other. First visit of the narrator and Shastri. So that is why Shastri exclaimed that, "What a surprise, Shama! Haven't seen for a long time." Who asked? Shastri asked to Shama the narrator, because they wanted to create drama. So that is why Shastri astrologer asked that, "What a surprise, Shama! Haven't you seen for a long time?" So after this question, Shama the narrator, that he was surprised, he lost his mind, he got angry, and in that anger, that suddenly that he exclaimed, suddenly that he answered, that, "What are you talking?" That he said to Shastri astrologer. Shama said, "What are you talking? Today, this morning itself, only this word was completed, this morning," and he left the incomplete statement. Because he wanted to give the answer, because he became irritated and he got angry, and in that mood that he was about to say that this morning itself, but as soon as he said this morning, Shama, astrologer, somehow he handled the situation, controlled the situation, and he completed the statement. Statement started by the narrator, Shama, this morning, and completed by Shastri the astrologer. When Shama said this morning, in between Shastri astrologer, at once he said, yes, this morning, that for example, you completed your work and now you are here to meet. Right? So in this way somehow he handled the situation, astrologer. Otherwise definitely Ranga, that he would have understood that this is what a kind of planning of these two people, Shastri and Shama. After this conversation, then Shastri, astrologer, he looked at Ranga and he asked the question. It means, when did you come? Who asked the Shastri astrologer asked the question to Ranga, when did he come? It means accountant's son from the city. When did he come? Because from a long time, rarely that he used to visit us. Shastri asked. So, Shama then said that he wanted to see what is in his life, because something he is not good, something is happening in his life that he is distressed, so that is why we want to take the help of your Shastras, it means your astrology. So the narrator asked Shastri that shall we put your science or your astrology to the test? The narrator asked to Shastri this question. So Shastri said, yes, why not? That I definitely we would see that what is the problem. So in this way, with these words, Shastri what he did, he took 2 sheets of paper in his hand, means that he took, plus some cauries means, for example, bones, something, pieces of bones, the way that astrologer used to do, the bones, right? 2 sheets of paper, bones, and a book of Kaimina leaves, some book of leaves that he took, and then he started, it means keeping in his hand everything with that bones, with that cauries, that he started his lips moving, and plus started counting on fingers. Who? Shastri, that astrologer. See now, look, here the writer must be Venkatesha Iyengar, that he wanted to, in short, reveal the fact of these astrologers. He wanted to criticize the astrology or such people that who used to pretend, only pretend, boasting to know, that it means that they used to pretend that they know everything, that they could predict about the future. Right? And you know that the astrologer, for example, this Shastri, that he was moving lips, counting on fingers, everything. And we know very well why it happened. It means why was he doing? Only because this was the part of their planning of the astrologer and the narrator. So I mean to say that the writer here wants to say, it means astrologer, only that they used to pretend that they know all the things, everything. Actually nothing is there, but only that they used to boast or the pretend such things. So that he started moving his lips, counted on fingers. After some time, the astrologer Shastri, that he asked Ranga, what is your star? Regarding the star, what is your star? Ranga said, I don't, it means I didn't know. He said, all right, no problem at all. Then after some time that he did some more calculations on his fingers that he did, and lastly, finally, he said, he thought for a while, and in a serious tone that he said, Shastri, after thinking for a while, he thought, and Shastri said in a serious tone, mood to Ranga, what did he say, or to Shama, that it is about a girl. What is the problem? The problem is about a girl. Who said? Shastri said. Just like Ranga that he should feel that really this is the effect of astrology, because of his science that it means science, this astrology or astrologer knows everything. Then Shama, when Shastri said it is about a girl, Shama, he couldn't stop his laughing there. He burst into laugh, started laughing, and he also surprised it is about a girl. That you didn't tell me. Shama said to Ranga that you didn't tell me about any girl. What is the name of that girl? Then Shama the narrator asked. Then Shastri said, what did he Shastri say? That he said that definitely, probably the name of that girl probably has the name, or the name of that girl which starts with, for example, with such a thing which is found in the ocean. Who said? Shastri said the name of that girl starts with something or such a thing which found in ocean. Then Shama and Shastri that they started making the guess. Maybe for example, her name will be Kamla, Pachi, Moss, and then in between Shama said the narrator that could be in another name, for example, pearl or ratna, because ratna, precious stone, this is also found in the ocean. It means actually the narrator wanted to come to the name, on that name, that is ratna. So that's why he said maybe for example pearl or ratna, because ratna is a precious stone, it is also found in the ocean, right? So Shama said ratna at last. Then Shama asked one more question to the Shastri astrologer. Is there any chance, could you tell me, because the girl is already married, that she was married a year ago. So that's why, could you tell me, is there any chance of the negotiations or bearing the fruits of these negotiations? Then the Shastri said yes. Right? And listening this, Ranga that he became happy now, he was excited, little bit happiness could be seen on his face, Ranga's face. So Shastri later on said, this is what that I told you, what my Shastra indicated, right? In my Shastra indicated that the name of that girl, it starts with something which is found in the ocean. Now Shastri, Ranga and Shama, especially Ranga, that he was so happy, excited, could be seen. And in this way that they left the house, right? And when they were passing by the house of Rama House, that time Ratna, that she was standing at the door. Then the narrator, he went inside Ramarao's house, and after a minute, once again that he came back and he said to the narrator, it means it is a really surprising thing. In a surprising manner, he said to Ranga, who the narrator said. What did he say to Ranga? It means it is a really surprising thing. The girl is not married; she is a bachelor. Ratna is not married. Who said? Shama said to Ranga. After coming back from out of the house, he said to Ranga that it is a shocking, surprising thing that the girl is not married. Right? So now only few points are left. That we will continue the next period along with the theme of this chapter.